almost here.
Who's all here?
Oh, brother.
We are at 1555 Pennistone celebrating Father's Day. Ed Papelian and Mike Michalski and Dennis Michalski, who's a father also.
Renee was kind enough to honor us with her presence from school today.
We're here today with Jochie's Italian Silvius. Jochie. Come on, let's get into the...
Hello, here's Boo Boo Max.
Hi, Edward. We're over here at, this is Father's Day, and here's old Huey. And Edward Papelian's taking the pictures, and you know what he is, right, Lisa?
The greatest.
The greatest, right? Edward Papelian.
Hey, how about Huey? I'll get you.
Okay, Huey, we're gonna say a few.
Come on, Huey, say
Say hello, Boo Boo Pants. Hello, Boo Boo Pants.
Say your ABC.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Here's Leah.
Okay.
Elise.
Guys. E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
With your icky letters.
Okay, look at the camera now. Look at the camera.
Camera.
And,
Get the word down.
and say,
D-I-L-L, dill. How many do you get?
You know what? That's going to be appear forever now.
Oh.
When you talk.
Oh, you have a big two. Let Lisa count it up. 2, 5, 6. 5, 6. Times 3. I'm gonna get 6.
A, B, C,
No.
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M,
Triple out of that.
and who is the winner of this game?
125, 87.
Right?
No, and I haven't played yet. I have 100%.
Okay, Huey wants to say a few words.
You have to hold them up.
Okay, say something, Huey.
Sing your alphabet. Okay.
Oh,
Sing your
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
And Huey?
N-O-P. Wait, let's...
That Huey's a smart little boy, right, Huey?
No,
What are you then?
You a kid?
No, he's a little boy, right?
no,
What?
like you.
No, you're a little boy,
No,
right?
What color is that, Matthew?
red.
Red.
Red, yeah.
Say hello,
Did you-
Grandma.
Let's check that. Let's check that mic. Let's check that mic.
Say hi to
Let me
your
check that
Grandma.
mic. I guess it's all right. Seems to be working.
Okay, count, Matthew. 1.
Edward the greatest.
Day.
Edward.
Happy Father's Day.
That Edward's on.
Happy Father's Day! Bye!
That's it.
Bye, Boo Boo!
I hope you had everything turned on.